This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jack up Mazda CX-5, updated. Position the car on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the wheels opposite the lift point. Locate the factory jacking point near the pinch weld and remove any hubcap if needed. Use a jack rated at least 2 tons and a jack stand rated appropriately for support. Always test stability before working under the vehicle and follow manufacturer lift instructions. Gather a hydraulic floor jack, jack stands, wheel chocks, and gloves before starting. Locate the pinch weld jacking points along the sill and confirm they are clear of rust or damage. Set the jack pad under the reinforced spot and raise slowly until the vehicle clears the tire by about 3.5 inches for stand placement. Lower onto jack stands securely and give the car a gentle push to confirm stability before removing the wheel or working underneath. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for storing service manuals and step guides so you can read instructions in the garage without glare. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and great for reference while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Loosen the lug nuts slightly before lifting to keep the wheel from spinning. Raise the jack until it contacts the jacking point, then lift the car until the tire is off the ground by a comfortable margin. Slide jack stands into place under the reinforced points and lower the vehicle gently onto them. Never work solely with the jack, and when finished, retighten lug nuts in a star pattern after lowering to the ground to the proper torque.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.